I started trying to film a video, and then of course Murphy's Law gets in the way. I had to do a carburetor adjustment. Unfortunately, it looks like this thing refused to cooperate. The float kept sticking on it. So this is what happens. You don't get a inline filter on them or some kind of a filter. You get full of dirt and rust and trash and mud and bugs. And even though I just had this carb apart like a couple weeks ago, months ago, whatever it was, it's back to doing its thing again. This float had a bunch of holes in it, and I had to solder it up. And if you look, see that float? Well, when I moved it, it started dribbling. It looks like the gas ate through my solder. So I guess I'm gonna have to patch it again, which is aggravating. Alright, so I popped it out of there. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, it's full of gas again. I can't tell. I think it's just this side here. You can hear it, see where it's leaking right there. It's hot enough out, it's evaporating pretty quick. This float's just super thin. At some point, it was rubbing the center part of the carburetor through here, and it just basically is super just paper thin right there. I poked a screwdriver through it just by like looking at it. So yeah, that's not gonna work out very well today. I don't know if you can see it for sure, but that thing there, that was in the float bowl. That's one of the solder patches that I put on that float. It must have fell off. Must not have done a very good job soldering. I was gonna use this tractor to film today, but it looks like it's not going to. So we're gonna have to switch over to that one. But I guess this is just a small lesson in old tractor reliability. Buy a new float instead of patching it.